It's the baby's cute.
Yeah. Now I think what we're doing.
Watch out for the T-Rex. He might eat you.
Ah, yes.
You're fine. I should have been listening.
But where to go?
Miss Mary says it's a carousel.
Shake it again, shake it. Oh yeah.
Why do we see?
Sure, my mom is a YouTube sensation.
I don't know about a YouTube sensation,
Shoot.
but I'm out here helping my son wrap this Suburban. This is it's not easy, but I'm gonna try. Y'all see how hard I'm working?
Cool.
There I go. I'm gonna do this.
So,
This
yeah,
side I
you go from here that way.
I go up like where?
So I already did that. So your
Okay.
job
Is now
be to
too.
you can flat like that and go this way.
Go like
Pull it.
oh, go this way.
You see it? You see it? Can you see it? What you did? Can you see
Oh man, I got this.
it? Yeah.
It won't take me long to finish wrapping this.
Yeah. It ain't. You see it? You gotta
I
get
see
them.
something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just gotta look at it and see that you don't want any bubbles or anything like that.
Right.
Okay, well now part. You ought to be able to finish this all alone. Without me. Say hey, Uncle Alan.
What's up, man? Now you do it. No, you gotta do your hair like that. Now come on. One.
Try it again.
One.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Two. There you go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Go ahead, Alan.
He thought it was real, I guess.
This is such a beautiful place. You guys, I'm in Nashville. I'm in Opryland and it is beautiful. It is. Family. Just dropping in. One of the last spots before moving back to reality. It is really good. I told you that God is wonderful. Yeah, I want a picture right there. So I'm gonna take a picture right over here.
That's why they were trying to build the person out.
So they all drawn in.
They do it about 2-4 times. Bobby always took it. As long as we ain't leaving, you gonna catch it if I want you walking. It's that way up there.
Your tree is over to my right here. That's the one with the upside down looking flowers. That's called a trumpet tree because those flowers are shaped like trumpets. Now up ahead over to our left here, that is the entrance to our convention center. That's also the biggest chandelier in the resort there. That chandelier weighs 3,000 pounds. There are 158 light bulbs on it. One is
He didn't see it though, because we didn't get there yet. You see the purple thing?
Right there, the purple.
Yes.
You see the green bananas? By the leaves. By the leaves. You see the green bananas? Right there. See the little green bananas poking out? Told you.
I know. Yes.
That's the root system of the tree. It's also known as the wish.
Hey, you made a wish on the wish tree?
Now up ahead of the boat on our right is our most dangerous tree finger as the Delta River has.
Oh, there's a pirate. The booty.